What's up, guys? We're out here posted up in the car right now waiting for it to get light out so we can sight fish these Atlantic salmon. It's just a little bit too dark right now. It's like 7:20, probably about 20 minutes before we can get out there. The water is it's not all the way frozen. There's still some ice on it, but the area that we intend to fish is open, so we should be able to get a pretty good space. Hopefully they're biting, and hopefully we can get on some Atlantics, and we'll see you out there.
There's a rot Roger right there. What's up, Roger? Dude. Dude, is this thing gonna bite at my feet? Dude. It wants it, dude. Dude, the amount of salmon in front of me right now is retarded. Dude. Yo. Got him. Yep. Oh, what the hell, dude?
Got him.
Just make sure not to step on that.
Yeah. Alright, guys, got the first one of the day here. Nice little male. Got on a pink P3 plastic. Get it back in the water. Alright, I'm about to let this little guy go. Dude, damn it. I just had a male bite and I missed it. Dude, female. I'm on a female. Dude. Oh, God.
What'd you do, buddy?
Close. Alright, guys, I just landed my first ever female Atlantic salmon. So happy to... Oh. Yeah, anyways, so happy to get this one. We're gonna get her back in the water while she's still all frisky. Alright, I'm about to let go of my first ever female Atlantic salmon.
It might have been fun.
Most of the big males I've seen have been Rogers.
I found one.
A lot of big female ones that look nice though. This would be a great time for a salmon to bite. It's all still and perfect. Dude, I got a left hand fish for a second. Oh shit.
I can maybe to tell you that I almost got it. I was like, wait, it's on. I like saw my lure in its mouth. I need to stand this way a little bit. Yeah. Got him? Nice, man. Super pretty colors on this one. Alright guys, got this beautiful male Atlantic salmon. Not a giant one by any means, but super pretty colors on him. We're gonna get this guy back. Letting this beautiful guy go. See you, buddy. Oh, dude, that one did it. Oh. Oh, wait. Aggression strike Andy. I just got that one to bite it. I was just digging it in its face and it nipped it, but missed. Oh, dude. Oh, aggression strike Andy, dude. That's what they call it, bro. No way, dude. That's so cool. Get in here. Dude, I knew I was gonna get one. Dude, hell yeah.
Nice. Is it a male?
Alright guys, got this little feisty male here. He was actually an aggression strike. I was just jigging my spinner right next to his face and he decided he had enough and he decided to bite it. Pretty one. Really happy to get this guy. Let's get him back in the water. Releasing my little male here. He's fighting a snagged fish at the moment. Alright, buddy. Recording for that. He's here though, maybe he'll bite again. Dude, yeah, he wants this. See that? Yeah, dude, he wanted it. Good thing I hit record, dude. Oh, he's yeah, hell yeah, dude, thank you. This one has rot. Just released my other one. Got this one too. Just jigging the spinner right in front of his face. He wanted that thing. All right, you guys, got this nice little rot Roger here. He's really pretty other than the little rot spots on him, but got him to bite his little spinner. He really wanted that thing. I don't even know if he was just angry at it or if he really was hungry, but either way, I'm happy to catch him. Let's let him go.
Alright guys, we ended the day with 5 Atlantic salmon, 3 were Logan's, 2 were mine, and I finally got the female Atlantic salmon that I've been trying to get for quite a while now. This is probably going to be the last day that we're going to fish for Atlantic salmon this year, at least in the winter. We might come across some later in the year, but for now this will be it. We had a great time out here, got plenty of Atlantics, got a few good videos, and until next time, God bless.